guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, guys. I am currently in Footscray and I've got coins in my hands. I'm just gonna pay for the parking. Oh, out of service. So guys, the other machine is not working, so I have to walk to the other side. Hey, this one is working. Hey. My parking until 10:28, guys, so it's 1 hour from now. So guys, I have an early appointment in Footscray today. That's why I'm here, and it is currently 9:30 in the morning, guys. When I left, Mimi and Paris still in bed, and Dada was awake because he's going to the gym as always, guys. But yeah, I'm just having my third session of Microdermabrasion this morning, guys. So yeah. That's where I'm going. Hi, how are you? So I just finished my treatment, guys. Oh, how does it look? I'm feeling fresh. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to Footscray Market. There's the Filipino a restaurant there, guys. I'm just gonna get turon and maybe some other food.
Hello, Merry Christmas!
Oh, Merry Christmas! Guwapa kaya mong one years
Greetings
old.
from Lutong, Pinoy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Papa.
Magbalitag, turon, guys.
Thank you, Papa.
Muna siya yung tagiya, guys, nga pinakakusgan.
Oh!
Oh, pula kay simud, oh.
Vlogger siya. Kulang si Mood. Anak, di na kay Christmas. Kulang yung lips. Sa'yo mo po, ate?
Wala ako.
Nakita na.
Ah, konti. 5 katuron. Busy kayo, kate? Guys. Dami kailang sudan, guys. Pinabuan. Guys, I'm home now. Paris is here. She's awake. Honey? Uy, nagunsa naman ini ngabri na sa akong bag. And Mimi is here too. Mata na sila, guys. But yeah, we're just cooking rice, guys, because I bought pork sinigang from Lutong Pinoy, guys. So if you are actually down in Melbourne, you have to check out Lutong Pinoy, guys, in Footscray Market. It's delicious, guys. The food is amazing, and also it's affordable. So definitely see Ate Narcisa, tagiyang guapa. Yeah, you should definitely see them, guys. It's yeah, it's, I don't know, every time I go there, it just makes me feel that I'm back to the Philippines, guys. Every time I have their food, yeah, and everyone's so friendly there. So definitely go there, guys. But for now, yeah, just waiting for the rice to cook. And we had a turon already, guys. So I bought, yeah, I bought 5 turon, guys, and there's only 1 left. And we just have coffee. So yes. So guys, we just got ready. I just put a bit of makeup on, guys, because we're going to the city. Paris, honey, honey. She's playing with her balloons. Hi, princess. Balloon. Boo. So we're just waiting for Tita Mimi, guys, and then we are going. We've seen some photos on Facebook, guys, like Federation Square. They actually have like big Christmas trees, and you know, it would be nice to have, you know, some photos taken there. Hi guys, we're now in the city, and oh my god, so many people. We had a hard time finding a parking, guys, because it's just full. Everywhere is full. And Mimi is just lining up for chat time, milk tea. Just there. Tita's just got chat time. It's taro milk tea, guys. We just ordered one because we couldn't finish two. So we'll just share. Guys, it's so busy here today. Oh my god. Whoop. Yeah, come on, chat and light tea. Fingerprint. Kali ulit ang kuwan na.
Yeah, we go inside.
Or no, let us Delivery, yeah?
Try these ones up, right? These ones. Oh, you didn't like these?
Ano dyan? Kali ako nakaya. Rakatog yan po na yung mga black. Ganda siya. Miss Harry Potter. How about this pink? Nakatong Gucci mo dati. Gucci? Gucci, tag-toki. Plus time. Jokin man ganang plus time. Mamag froggy. Oh, I got this one from here, but I want something that maybe grayish. Yeah, that has that grayish before.
Okay. So you want the black and then just put it on, and then you can have take a look. So may I know your eyeball color?
Well, it's actually more brown, like
Brown is
dark
this
brown.
one? This one or
It's
this
actually
one?
like dark. Yeah, dark.
Okay. So this is the smoky gray when you put on. Yep. With this gray. And because the model will be brown eyeball, so it will more like the effect is more extremely light.
Yeah.
But for the black will be similar like this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Even maybe this one is the black eyeball where they put it on, and then in the light will be kind of similar to this effect. Because this one is a lot of people asking.
Yeah. This is the one, the gray. Yeah. There are contact lenses. So I got the EOS and the smoky gray, and that is my eye power. Negative 2.50. Yeah. And this one is for free, guys, like the holder. And it is for 53 Australian dollars. And it's yearly, guys, so I can wear it for a year.
Show them the pretty house.
So if you are in Melbourne, guys, and you want colored contact lenses, you should visit Pretty House Melbourne, guys. They are just located lower ground in Melbourne Central. And yeah, so actually guys, this one that I'm wearing right now, it's actually from them. So this is just a brown color contact lens, guys. It's very comfortable. Like, it's like yearly, and yeah, it's very comfortable. That's why I like buying it from there. Oh, isang supply. Isang mahal. Naman sa cutter ma.
Mura ba kasi Paris maka? Just Winter Street Station, guys. So many people. Lord. Helicopter. Bingay. Dito ka, Mac. Bigyan na ka dyan. Mac, siya, Mac.
A scripture actually, John will be saved. And so, amazing scripture actually is at 1 John 4 verse 4. And it says, if we confess our sins, he is safe with us. We have to forgive us all sins and cleanse us from all unrighteousness. As far as the east is from the west.
We're here. Alright, let's circle here, guys.
No, enough shit.
Yeah. We're just gonna stop here for a minute and get Paris to play for a little bit. Matt, do you wanna play? Oh, let her out, tita. Yay! Yay! Hello, have a look. They got a big Christmas tree. Oh, wow! Come on. Hey, come here. Come here. 1, 2, 3, go. Hinay, hinay. Oy.
That sounds no fun.
Guys, Daddy's with us now. So Dada just went for a drink with his friends, and we'll probably go back now, guys, into the city so we can find something to eat for dinner, because it's currently 7 o'clock at night, guys. But make sure my my OTD. Asan siya da?
Here. Here.
Murong taga bye-bye siya. Bulo.
they're a good man? Huh?
Nananimos guys. Palimos ng pag-ibig.
Basta may mga tag-TV sa $1 lang.
No, wala ay sibong na wala.
$1 lang ni.
Mora gid na ilang lyrics mak.
Alam mo.
Hingkay abri mong bag.
Mo dagan kay African music at
Haba akong big videoan.